Greetings, members, one and all of the Salivation Nation. Yet another unboxing here from the United States Mint. These are some sets that I had ordered when they became available. And, you know, more out of curiosity's sake, in a sense. I don't know if I'm going to collect these American Innovation dollars. Probably won't, but wanted to kind of see what this looked like. The packaging looked kind of interesting, so I thought I would do that and order one and take a look since I had the proofs already of these. The proofs are relatively nice, but it comes in that same common shell that we see so often here. So let's see if we can get into this thing in a manner that's it's not very. I might just rip this thing from the side here. That's gonna be the best way to do it, I think. All right. And these particular pieces are the beginning of a new series, as you know, the American Innovation dollars, which no one will see in circulation because they're not been approved for circulation. But the Mint is producing several different collector versions of these, as well as uncirculated rolls. And this is the latest, the introductory coin. These things are $10 a pop, and I got 3 of them just because, as a collector, curiosity, we're going to see, and I believe they were limited for a while. They kind of had sold out, at least the initial offering there. So here we go. It is the $1 reverse proof coin, introductory coin here. It's got some nice information here. It talks about President George Washington, who signed the first patent. We won't go through all that, read all that, but there it is. And then it comes in this nice, attractive fold out here. And the coin is in the middle. Now, I don't think I can get the coin out. It doesn't appear that I can, which is, that's not cool. Let's see here. American Innovation. It looks pretty cool in reverse proof, but I don't know if I can take it out of the package here. Let's see. No, it's stuck in there. It does turn, but it doesn't look like there is a way to get it out. As you can see, this is manganese bronze here, 3.5% manganese, 6% zinc, 2% nickel, and the rest of it is copper. So very good. Now, unfortunately, and by the way, here is the first patent, X00001, July 31st, 1790, and it's signed by George Washington. His signature is also on the back of the coin. That, let's see, let's turn that upside down so you can see his signature here. There is the signature of George Washington. There it is. Reverse proof. But I'm disappointed that the packaging will not allow me to take this thing out. That's crazy. Which means you really can't examine the coin as you would like. Oh, well, you can take out, I guess you can take it out of the actual capsule and look at it, which we'll do here, bare fingers and all. There's a reverse proof there. And it seems like the Mint is doing more and more of these reverse proof coins as of late. And this is becoming more commonplace, as we're finding from the Mint, trying to do some things that they don't necessarily need a congressional approval to do, to make different offerings for the public or make money or what have you. But there it is. You know, the special thing about these innovation dollars is it's the first time that a coin has been minted in many, many years since, well, I will say, maybe since 1945. that a coin has been minted with no living person on it. In other words, this has a Statue of Liberty, but it does not have a living person on the coin, on the obverse or reverse. Here you can see the edge lettering, which is something also that is somewhat missing on these. So there you have it. Disappointed that you can't take the coin out with the capsule and everything in it, but these are released in 2019 and the dated 2018, but is the American Innovation reverse proof coin dollar from the United States Mint. And we went ahead and took it out of the capsule so you could see it all here in its glory. That's the collector in me. You know, these things are really, probably when it's all said and done, these things will probably be selling for $2. Have coin shows around. But I kind of wanted to see what it looked like. And it is the first. And it does have a spot on it, of course. You see underneath the V there. But that's all right. So there it is. The American Innovators. And from the American Innovation Series, the first in the inaugural release. George Washington, who signed the first patent. If you're a collector, you might enjoy these. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to y'all for watching and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.